Ouch! I should do some jumping jacks or something. Try to get a little more blood. Do some. Hey, there's 2 holes. Jack thing seems to help. Okay. So there's some blood. And put it on there. And I already got my cover slip ready. Right here. So I put a cover slip over that.
The last thing you want to see when you look at your blood is a little flagellated protozoan. Do not ever eat raccoon or cat poop.
Little tiny red blood cells. And this is after taking about 12.5 milligrams of methylene blue about 3 hours ago. Does it look blue? Kind of? Almost looks like the background might be a little blue. Okay. See that little... Is that a red blood cell? Like a... Oh, there. I think it's starting to clot. Notice how the blood's moving slower now? And the red blood cells are getting kind of scrappy looking, like around the edges. They're getting kind of irregular looking. Well, I do believe we're witnessing the fibrinogen cascade. Like fibrinogen turns to fibrin and causes the blood to become real sticky. And clot. So again, this is right at the edge of the slide. So this part of the blood is being exposed to the oxygen. And it appears to be starting to clot.
What do you guys think? Is that methylene blue from my blood? It's like precipitating out. Oh, that's a trip. Huh. Interesting.
I did not add any methylene blue to this slide. This is just my blood taken from a finger prick. And initially I didn't see any methylene blue at all. And now all of a sudden, later on, I think the methylene blue has sort of coalesced and formed these little teeny droplets of methylene blue. Because to me, 2,500 times, and I'm virtually positive that's methylene blue that was floating around in my bloodstream. And then all around it are the little red blood cells. That is pretty cool. 2,500 times view of my blood with red blood cells and a big drop of methylene blue extracted from a fingerprint.
In, all the way in, all the way out, backing out, and now plunging in. Little